Dear student, this is the third part of the lesson Glimpses of India. And now the name of the lesson is Tea from Assam. So first of all, I will discuss the word meaning of this lesson. So see here, first is steaming. It means very hot. Next one is buried his nose in. It means started reading. Next is ardent. It means neem. Next one is backdrop. It means scenery at the back. Dwarfing. It means making something appear small. Next is billowing. It means a moving cloud or mass of smoke. Next is tea country. It means area where tea is grown. Legends. It means a story from the past that is believed by many people but cannot be proved to be true. Next one is meditations. It means during inner concentration. And the last is pluckers. It means those who pluck tea leaves. So this is the word meaning of this lesson. Now I am going to discuss main points of the lesson and you will also try to learn it. So first point is Pranjal invited Rajveer to his hometown and they start their journey to Assam. Pranjal's father is a manager at a tea plantation. Third point is on the way, Rajveer tells Pranjal many good legends about tea. Fourth point, he tells his that over 80 crore cups of tea are sipped daily in the world. Next point, Rajbir was busy looking at the beautiful scenery outside the train. Next point, it was green everywhere as far as the eye could see. Next point, the landscape changed and tea bushes took the place of green paddy fields. Next, Assam has the largest concentration of plantations in the world. Next point, no one really knows who discovered tea. Next point, there are many legends about tea, such as a Chinese emperor used to drink hot water. Once, a few leaves fell into his water and it gave him a delicious taste. Next point, the next legend is about a Buddhist ascetic. Here, ascetic means monk who felt asleep during meditation and he cut off his eyelids and threw on the ground. 10 tea plants grew up there and their leaves in hot water vanished sleep. Next point, from China, tea came to the European countries and then to Asian countries. Next point, Groups of tea pluckers with bamboo basket on their backs were plucking newly sprouted leaves. Now, this is the remaining part of the main point. A tractor was pulling a trailer load of leaves. Next point, they got down at the Mariani Junction and they were received by Pranjal's parents. Next point, Pranjal's father managed the Kiavari tea garden. Next point, the sprouting period lasts from May to July and this period yields the best tea. Last point, when Pranjal's father knew that Rajveer has a good knowledge of tea plantation, he praises him. So this is the main point of this lesson. So try to learn and write it. Thank you.